morning I wake up, Lord, I know you're here. When my heart keeps on trembling, you make it calm. Every step of my journey, you guide my path for me to start a brand new day. I thought this life would be nothing until I found you. You have given so much courage to stand on my feet. You say from unrighteousness you leaded me, for me to face a brand new life. Lord, I'm nothing without you. In your presence I'm safe and secure. Lord, cleanse my heart, make it pure and round you. Be with me for the rest of my life. When my heart is torn apart, you show me love. When my life is full of disappointment, you gave me hope. You say, my child, life won't be easy, have faith in me. I am the Father, the painter of your life. Lord, I'm nothing without you. In your presence I'm safe and secure. Lord, cleanse my heart, make it pure and round you. Be with me for the rest of my life. Lord, I am nothing without you. In your presence I'm safe and secure. Lord, cleanse my heart, make it pure and round you. Be with me for the rest of my life. Be with me for the rest of my life. Thank you very much.